So we have a big update with our Pocket Option Auto Trader that is for Google Play Store. As you can see now, it's rebranded to Alpha One Trader. And now it's a new logo, everything, because yes, we don't have just one binary option robot, it's 3 in 1 now. So as you can see above here is the normal bot that you have been using before with updated all strategies, so it's much better than was before. You can see below here now is a new binary option robot for another broker. I have just refilled that broker, so it's with the money, so it's ready to use. We will go in there and take a trade after. And you can see below here I have made a VIP one. The VIP one will automatically open for you when you have deposited more than $200 with the Pocket Option Auto Trader that is in the top. So don't need to be the first deposit. If you deposit after and you till in the end reach 200, this one will calculate all of it and will open and will have just one strategy, my best strategy that you don't have in the one in top there. It will be here, easy to use, just one start, that's it. So that is more for the people that are using for a longer time. They will then have access to this one. I will make a VIP also for this one here later on, but for now we have these three. Later will be 4. So let's see how now it looks like. So we now push open here now. Then you need, the first time you need to add your ID. Okay, you find that when you hide here, you go to, let's see here now, I'll just show you here now how you find it. Let it just open. As you see, I did take a few trades. I did add the $50,000 in this one here. So you put to the left, you see this 3 lines that is to the left for the says real, where I have a 5 number. Push there, then push profile, and there you see profile ID. Then you just copy this and you then push show in the top left corner and you add it there and you just push check deposit. So you then push check deposit and there you have it. The bot is loaded. So then after you have put in that for the first time, this one will stay there always, so you don't need to go in and get your ID every time. It's just to push the check and then you automatically come inside here. So other than that, this robot is a little different. What you need to do here, we push hide again. Let's wait here now. We push a trade. Let's see. Now it's loading. Let's see. Okay, you choose pair first, which one you want. So let's just select this one. Then you need to choose in between real. You see up here between real and demo. Okay, so now it's on real, so that means he will trade on real. If you push demo, he will trade on demo. So I can push demo here now so you can see how it looks like. So here you see it says real, then you go down and you put down here and you activate demo. Okay, but for now I am going to use real. So there's real. Okay, other thing that you need to do with this bot, he will always use the auto close that you put here. So the bot is optimized for 30 seconds, but what you do, you just push here, then you just move this bar over here and you choose whatever you want. As you can see now it's set for 30, so I push this button that you see in the up here. I just push that one and confirm. So now it's set to 30 seconds. Then the bot will trade on 30 seconds. If you want to trade on 1 minute, you do that. If you want to trade on 5 seconds, 1 second, whatever you want to trade on, you just choose that there. After that, you just push show and then the bot is ready to use. Then you see have a few strategies here. It's not the same strategies at Pocket Option Auto Trader, it's other strategies, it's very good ones, very different, very good. And here as the other one, you will have all the stats about the trading you do. You see here losses, wins, everything, win rate, and you have a reset. So for every session you do, you can reset so you can follow how it goes. And then you just push start and you have a test buy and test sell. that is basically just something that is left over that I forgot to remove in the version that I used when I was making the bot. So don't mind this test cell. This I will remove in the next update. And then of course here say looking for trade. He's not looking for trade, but this will change. This is also something I will fix in the next version because it's still a beta version. Here we'll say ready instead because he's not looking for trade right now, but when you push her now he will give information here for what he's doing. Okay, so this is also a small bug that I will fix, but have nothing to do with bot. It's just for how you see it. So this one I will also start. So that's basically how the bot works. So now I will take a trade so you can see how everything works. If you want this binary option robot for yourself, you find link about the video at Axe and link below the video at YouTube. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. So now I'll just take a $5 trade so you can see how it works. So let's park the bot there now. Later videos I will do some real trading, but this is just to show you how it works like. So it's now look for trade. He did trade open trade now, say here now. We move myself down here so you can see up there. And I will stop the bot right away when we are done with this trade. So let's see if it's a win or loss. The first trade with this bot is that is on camera at least. And let's see. And it's a 30-second trade. There, just like that, we got one win, and you can see there we got a 100% win rate and $4.4 profit. So once again, if you want this binary option robot, you find link about the video at Axe and link below the video at YouTube, and make sure you like this video. With that, have an amazing day.